You're here because you have a dream. You want to meet that special person, someone to grow old with, a real commitment, a true connection. But you keep on hitting obstacles and it's starting to wear on you. Your heart's broken, you're losing trust, and deep down inside, you want to give up. I want to tell you something. I've been in your shoes and I know how you feel. It doesn't have to be that way, I promise. With Conscious Dating and this group coaching program, you will find the lasting love that you are looking for. And I've helped countless singles just like yourself, so let's hear from them.
I feel so many people are really struggling, and I struggled with it too. Like, is this person out there for me? Can I really find them?
I was one of those people that, you know what, I am not going to waste my time or my money going through a program that I obviously don't need. And it was probably, I should have done this years ago.
Well, one of the big things that you helped me focus on was what I actually want. What kind of person do I want? What kind of life would I like to have with him? And that work really helped me clarify what it is. So clarity was a big part of it.
It really takes you inside yourself, and you have to do the work. You have to do the hard work of going inside yourself to see what really is my issue. You have to be open and honest with yourself.
I thought I was going to be looking just for a partner, and she ended up helping me learn more about myself and becoming really authentic and confident.
Having other ladies on that weekly phone call, in my opinion, helped me greatly. Especially in this new experience, we were able to share without feeling like being judged. You were able to share your deepest concerns or problems. You felt accountable. The assignments during the week really helped greatly for me to reflect on what I really needed to know about myself. So far, it's been phenomenal. I have not had results like what I have now ever. And that is, I'm solely because I went through the Conscious Dating program.
Just the turnaround was amazing. At this point, I'm able to say, you know, if you have this idea in your head of what you're looking for, don't be afraid to go out and get it. And Amy will help you. She'll help you, you know, actually achieve your dreams. She gets results. So if you want the best, I would definitely recommend Amy.
The universe brought us together for a reason. Let's get you started today. Click below and sign up, and let's start Conscious Dating so that you can find the lasting love you deserve. I'll see you inside.